Hey, there. Got your service over?
Yep.
Dorian, boy, I just want to warn you it's a mess. Just a total mess. Titan accept me in this morning. We were just looking around and figuring out what we're going to do. They picked up a radiation last week. They started stacking up in hill scenery and, well, the valley floor collapsed. It was dropped away. This way. On the first discover, radiation waves were very strong. It's almost as if contact with the outside area and started canal lines.
Is it impossible?
Nope.
There's still bones, we might as well keep looking. But this is broken, but something just come out of there. Huh, this place.
I'll get it. Gamma, stop. Nope. No. John, I'm asking for a meeting to shut the reactor down because of France, and now they are in our own backyard. I can't let you read my memo. No. Seriously. I'm asking for a meeting to shut down the reactor.
He's awake.
I know, he's up early.
What are we gonna do?
Get dressed, I'll figure this out.
Bye-bye, Dad.
With all due respect, John, with honor and respect, I'm an engineer. I don't like unexplained frequency patterning near a plant where I'm responsible, okay? I need a meeting, so make it happen.
Maybe a sign.
What?
Your birthday sign. He works so hard. I'll come home and pick him up and we'll go get the cake.
Listen, I need to know that it's not the sensors, alright? I can't call this meeting and look like a maniac.
You're not a maniac, I mean you are just not about that.
It might not be something that we're thinking of.
Happy birthday.
What? Is it?
Yes, it is. Happy birthday.
Thank you, Anna. What's that?
Seismic anomaly. This graph is minute X. X is minutes, but not that. This is now.
Well, wait a second. Seismic activity like an earthquake, that she was talking about.
Earthquakes are random lugged.
Okay, let's make it quick.
John, what the heck is going on? Have you seen this?
Maybe, but not such a good time for a meeting.
What's the service? And where's the epicenter?
I don't know, it always keep getting stronger, and perhaps, we should be drawing down to be safe and protected.
Wind it down, now.
We're going back. Take cover. Cheese sans rice. Dorian, we're heading back.
Anna, listen to me. You have to get out of there. If there's a reactor breach, can you hear me?
I hear you, we're coming. Oops.
Anna? Anna, are you okay? Anna.
Dorian. I'm sorry. Everyone, we have to get out of here now.
Dad?